Hello, this is the best Bybit scalping strategy for beginners, and if you are just seeing this video for the very first time, pay detailed attention, most especially if you're a beginner and you have no prior knowledge to how trading works or how technical analysis works on the Bybit platform. Now, here on the Bybit platform, you can see we rightly have the time frames of which price moves here. We have it here. You can see these are all time frames, right? These are all time frames, and each time frame is representing the time it takes for one candlestick to be formed. Now you can see we have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, up to the daily and the weekly time frame. Now, but that's not all. I'm going to explain in clear details how you can basically know when to get into the trade, your entry as a beginner, and how to scalp these trades successfully. So guys, now if you look very clearly, this trend is in an uptrend here. We're in an uptrend here because we're making consecutive highs and lows, right? We're making highs and lows, consecutive highs and lows. So this is an uptrend right here. But we want to enter at the very best position and at the very best levels where we have maximum chances of actually getting the trades right, even though trading is risky. Now, you come here, this is the 4-hour time frame. We have a break of structure from an ascending triangle. Now, I know you'll be asking me what an ascending triangle is. It's a basic chart pattern like this where the resistance is flat and then you have the support level here like so, right? And price broke out from it. And what did price do next? It came back to retest at this level, and now we are hoping to buy below this level. So now this is the 4-hour time frame. I want to go back to 30 minutes so that we can see we have a clear picture of what price is currently doing. Price is bullish at the moment, by the way. So now I want to enter this trade from here. So I'm anticipating that price will come back to this zone and tag me into this trade right from here. So that's what I'm anticipating. So but before that happens, there might be sell opportunities down to this point. There might be sell opportunities around here down towards this level, down to this level, right? There might be sell opportunities from here down to this level, guys. So I'm anticipating a sell. If this plays out, I'll take my sell trade from here back to this point. But originally, this is where I want to buy. This is a safer place for me to buy. This is a safer place for me to enter this trade. It's a safer entry for me. All right, now that being said, let's see how we can actually use this information now that we have. Let's see if we can use it for another asset. Let's say Ethereum, for example. Let's say Ethereum, for example. Now, looking at this trend, let me make this bigger. Looking at this trend, where are we currently? For Ethereum, this is looking more like a downtrend, right? Looking like a downtrend. And if I was to enter this trade, I'm already seeing that there is a break of structure somewhere around here. Break of structure, and here's what another block, an enticing one, and we have our liquidity levels right here. You can see this double top here. So I'm anticipating price to go all the way up to this level, all the way up from here to this level, and then we sell back down again. So that's what I'm anticipating. So guys, for quick scalping, just ensure that you understand where the market direction is headed first. Look for these entry zones and entry setups, and trust me, that's already looking like a whole lot of profitability already. Now, for free signals and mentorship, there will be a link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. You're going to see links there, and a dedicated link to Bybit. There will also be access to funding from Bybit in form of position airdrop. So once you sign up a new account, deposit about 100 USDT, hold it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks max. You're going to get $100. You're going to get $1,000 deposit voucher to enable you trade within the space of 2 weeks. All right. Cheers, guys. One love. Peace out. Have a great time.